What a great day of fishing.
It was awesome.
This is normal for people to go out in their boat, catch fish, bring them right back here. It's what the Keys are known for, is fresh fish.
Right.
So what I'm gonna make here today is a pretty simple recipe. And it is a little bit Cuban inspired. So what I did is I just took a little bit of mayonnaise, but in order to flavor it up a little, I have some orange zest and some key lime zest.
Lovely.
Right, mix all that in there. And then of course, I'll put a little bit of fresh orange that, from what I was gonna use in the zest. A little bit of key lime, tiny little key limes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this right on the fish. Some salt and pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the fish right onto the grill, and we're gonna put it the mayonnaise side down first, and then we're gonna put mayonnaise on this side in just a minute.
Okay.
All right, and here, if you'll hold the plate for me.
Of course.
All right, and you get fish fillets that look just like this. About 3 to 5 minutes per side.
Lovely, no stickage at all.
Yep, no stickage, exactly.
Great flavor.
Looks great, just like that, all right? And then what I've done is I've taken some onions, sliced them, and fried them. Just dipped them in a little bit of flour, a little bit of seasoning. Who doesn't like onion rings? And then I made up some key lime butter. So just some butter, some key lime, and just put that right on there,
Delicious.
just like that. Serve with some plantains on the side.
So this is the first fish that I'm eating that I've caught.
Yeah, exactly, there you go.